Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the best investment opportunities in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, this year presents unique trends and avenues for growth. With shifting economic conditions, advancements in technology, and global priorities evolving, choosing where to put your money is more important than ever. From traditional investments like stocks and real estate to innovative options like cryptocurrency and renewable energy, we'll cover it all. Stick around to learn how to diversify your portfolio and maximize returns in 2025. Why investing in 2025 matters. The global economy is undergoing significant changes. 1. Technological advancements. Artificial intelligence, Web3, and green technologies are reshaping industries. Second, market recovery. Following the turbulence of previous years, markets are stabilizing and presenting new opportunities. 3. Inflation. Hedge. With inflation still a concern in many regions, smart investments can help preserve and grow wealth. But how do you decide where to invest? Let's break down the best options for 2025. 1. Stock market. Why invest in stocks? The stock market remains a cornerstone of wealth building. In 2025, certain sectors are expected to outperform due to global trends. Technology. Companies innovating in AI, quantum computing, and robotics are at the forefront. Healthcare. With advancements in biotech and personalized medicine, healthcare stocks are promising. Energy. The shift to renewables continues to drive growth in clean energy companies. Top picks for 2025. 1. Big tech. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia are leaders in innovation. 2. Clean energy firms, Tesla, NextEra Energy, and smaller startups focusing on solar and wind energy. 3. Emerging markets ETFs. Funds targeting growing economies like India and Southeast Asia offer diversification and growth potential. Tips for stock investing. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Use tools like dollar-cost averaging to build positions over time. Stay updated on earnings reports and market trends. 2. Real estate. Why real estate? Real estate remains a reliable investment, offering both passive income and long-term appreciation. In 2025, the housing market is expected to show stability, with unique opportunities in specific sectors. 1. Rental properties. As housing demand increases, rental properties can generate steady income. 2. Commercial real estate. With hybrid work models, there's growing demand for co-working spaces and mixed-use properties. 3. Sustainable housing. Green building practices and energy-efficient homes are gaining popularity. Best strategies. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. REITs focused on logistics and data centers are particularly lucrative. Short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb make it easier to generate income from vacation rentals. Location is key. Look for properties in high-growth areas, such as cities with strong job markets and infrastructure development. 3. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The case for cryptocurrency continues to be a high-risk, high-reward investment. In 2025, the crypto market is maturing, and new opportunities are emerging. Bitcoin and Ethereum. These remain strongholds for long-term investors. Altcoins. Projects like Solana, Cardano, and Polygon are pushing innovation in decentralized applications. dApps. Blockchain infrastructure. Investing in companies building blockchain solutions offers indirect exposure to the industry. Best strategies for crypto in 2025. Dollar cost averaging. DCA. Minimize risk by investing small amounts regularly. Staking and yield farming. Earn passive income by locking up your crypto. Diversify. Hold a mix of top-tier cryptos and emerging tokens. Risks to consider. Regulatory changes can impact the market. Volatility remains a challenge, so only invest what you can afford to lose. 4. Renewable energy. The growth of green energy. The global push for sustainability is driving massive investments in renewable energy. Governments and private companies are allocating billions to transition from fossil fuels to clean energy sources. Best investments in renewable energy. 1. Solar and wind. Companies involved in solar panel production and wind turbines, such as First Solar and Vestas Wind Systems. 2. Electric vehicles, EVs. Tesla, Rivian, and EV infrastructure companies like ChargePoint. 3. Energy storage, battery technology firms like CATL and QuantumScape. Top AI stocks for 2025. Nvidia, a leader in AI hardware and software. Alphabet, Google, pioneering AI with projects like DeepMind. OpenAI partnerships. Companies collaborating with OpenAI to integrate AI solutions. Other tech investments. 1. Cloud computing. As businesses move online, companies like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure are thriving. 2. Cybersecurity. Firms like Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike are critical as digital threats rise. 3.5G and beyond. Telecom companies like Qualcomm are capitalizing on next-gen connectivity. 8. Index funds and ETFs. The power of passive investing. Index funds and ETFs are perfect for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach. They track the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500, or a sector, such as technology or clean energy. Top ETFs for 2025: 1. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO Broad Market Exposure. 2. ARK Innovation ETF ARKK focused on disruptive technologies. 3. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. Diversify with global growth. Low fees and instant diversification make these a must-have in any portfolio. 9. Alternative investments. Beyond the mainstream, alternative investments can provide high returns and diversification. Popular options for 2025 include private equity, investing in startups or venture funds, collectibles, rare art, wine, or trading cards can appreciate over time. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club offer fixed returns by lending to individuals or businesses. 10. Education and self-improvement. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in your education and skills. As industries evolve, staying competitive means continuous learning. Ideas for personal investment. Take online courses in high-demand skills like coding, data analysis, or digital marketing. Build a side hustle to generate passive income. Network and attend industry events to stay ahead of trends. Tips for successful investing in 2025: 1. Have clear goals. Understand why you're investing, whether it's for retirement, wealth building, or passive income. 2. Diversify. Spread your investments across asset classes to minimize risk. 3. Stay updated. Monitor market trends, economic reports, and technological advancements. 4. Be patient. Wealth building takes time, so avoid impulsive decisions. 5. Consult professionals. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance. Conclusion: 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for investors. From the stability of traditional investments like real estate and bonds to the high growth potential of crypto and AI, there's something for everyone. The key is to diversify, stay informed, and invest according to your risk tolerance and financial goals. So, which of these investments are you considering for 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and insights. Until next time, happy investing.